You have probably noticed many new voices arguing that GenAI is not actually improving efficiency and productivity as they thought it would. These voices like to point to mistakes, misinformation, and hallucinations generated by large language models to prove their point. And while there certainly is room for improvement in GenAI technology, these arguments often fail to see one important, even critical part of the conversation: the relevance of data quality. Would you expect a salad to taste good if it contained poor quality ingredients? Of course you wouldn't. Well, same thing happens with generative AI. Data is the basic ingredient behind any GenAI model necessary to create intelligent agents. Believe it or not, many companies struggle with data quality. According to the Mobile Marketing Association, a whopping 78% of marketers face challenges with data validation and quality. As you can imagine, this is a major roadblock preventing businesses from harnessing the full potential of AI. Dirty data leads to inaccurate models, which can have disastrous consequences. Just imagine an AI system making critical decisions based on flawed or incomplete information. It would spell total disaster. Having sound data validation and quality assessment processes is of the utmost importance before launching any GenAI project, as you're laying the foundation for a successful implementation. In fact, companies like Meta that own billions of data records have invested heavily to properly clean, classify, validate, and prepare the data they use to train their LLMs with. If you are interested in launching successful generative AI initiatives, a good starting point would be to invest in data cleaning and preparation. In this regard, we are expecting public companies like Alteryx, Informatica, and Talend to see a rise in demand for their services as generative AI adoption increases its footprint. So, in summary, forget about GenAI's expectations for the time being and instead prioritize improving data quality across your business. Then you'll be able to watch as AI propels your business to new heights. If you want to learn more about ways to improve your data quality, make sure to check the description of this video. Also, please take a moment to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for similar content. Disclaimer: the content provided on this channel is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice, investment advice, or a recommendation to buy or sell any security or digital asset. The information presented is based on publicly available data and is subject to change without notice. Viewers should conduct their own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. The channel owner is not responsible for any losses incurred as a result of decisions made based on the information presented.